Si San Antonio Spurs forward Jeremy Sochan tungkol sa opisyal na pagre-retiro ng veteranong NBA head coach na si Greg Popovich. Para sa mga detalye, narito ang ulat ni teammate Rafael Bandayrel.
Papasok ang San Antonio Spurs sa isang bagong kabanata matapos opisyal na magretiro ng kanilang head coach na si Greg Popovich. Tumayo bilang lead tactician ng Spurs si Popovich sa loob ng halos 3 dekada. Pero matapos masubok ng kanyang kalusugan nitong mga nakaraang buwan, nagpasya na ang 76-year-old future Hall of Famer na bitiwan ang kanyang tungkulin bilang head coach. Sa kabila nito, ikinalulugod naman ni Polish-American NBA player Jeremy Sohan na bahagi pa rin ng Spurs organization si Popovich.
My first year in the league, that was my coach. Truly blessed, honored to be coached by someone who has the most wins in the NBA. You could say he's the best coach ever to live. So again, super blessed, and I'm just happy that he's still a part of the organization and he's still having some involvement in decisions and just like coach and identity.
Dumalaw sa Pilipinas si Sohan kamakailan para sa NBA Rising Stars Invitational Qualifiers. Sa kanyang panayam sa lokal na media, sinabi niya rin na malaki ang kanyang tiwala kay Mitch Johnson na siyang pumalit sa pwesto ni Coach Pop.
I've been with him since the start of my career. We've been to Poland together for Basketball Without Borders. So the relationship is there. So I'm super excited. I'm happy for him. I think he's been working hard, and he deserves it. And it's gonna be cool to learn from someone like Mitch.
Nakikita niya rin positibo ang hinaharap ng Spurs ayon kay Sohan dahil sa susunod na season ay inaasahang kabilang sila sa mga pausbong na mga koponan.
Every year has been better. We got Stephen Castle, who had an unbelievable rookie year. Of course, we have Victor, who's a unicorn that no one's ever seen. So, but then we added players like De'Aaron Fox, and even last year we learned from all-time great Hall of Famers like Chris Paul, and Harrison Barnes was there too. That helped a lot. So I think as a team we've matured, we're making a lot of progress, and I think we're all super excited in the building.
Tanging panahon lang ang makapagsasabi kung hanggang saan ang mararating ng Spurs, pero di may kakaila na meron silang pundasyon at plano upang maabot ang kanilang mga hangarin. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.